Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is sales stories in PSD, AI and EPS files. Here is a preview. Okay, and here, but these are protected password in this app. Download this app for password. And here is my Sheri page. Last is my Telegram channel. Join me, I will provide every notification of video or data first here. Okay, AI APS for Adobe Illustrator, and here is for Photoshop user. Okay, you see here template 1 to 9. Okay, extract this folder. Here is photo and here is text. First accept text. Now insert your photo. This one, drag there. Enter Control S. Oh, sorry, one. Control Shift E, and you see, but you need to portrait photo. Okay, and here is a text option, and last is the background color. Click here, depend your choice. Next, same thing, you can change color, change background photo or text, depend your choice. Okay, close it. Here is story, here. So now these files are for Adobe Illustrator, so you can open and change anything. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love.